Hello everyone, in today's video tutorial I am going to show you that how to add someone as a manager on YouTube channel or how to use permissions on your channel. First of all, open YouTube. Click on your profile photo on top right corner. Now open your channel. After that, tap on Customize Channel. Now click on Settings button to open settings from here. Now tap on Permissions, the fourth option. Tap on Manage Permissions. Tap again on this option. Enter your email password to confirm ownership. Tap on Next. Again click on Manage Permissions. Tap on the icon on top right corner here. Here, add the name or email address of the person you want to give permissions. And finally from here you can select the role of that person. If you like the video, subscribe our channel to get more videos like this.